Hi, it's Laura Lee Berger with Coldwell Banker Realty, and welcome to Friday Fun Facts. Fun fact, I want you to sell your house. Why? Because we don't have enough inventory in the Twin Cities market. Here's a quick statistic to make the point. Back in January of 2012, we had about 22,000 properties for sale in the Twin Cities. In July of 2022, we had about 7,000 homes for sale in the Twin Cities market. That's less than 1/3 of the inventory. Sure, back in 2012, we were still getting through the foreclosures and short sales. We virtually don't have any of those anymore because people have so much equity in their homes. Prices have escalated into very high values over the last couple of years. So the values are there. We are seeing the temper off. We're seeing a lot of price decreases. I think some agents, some sellers are getting a little gregarious with their pricing, put it that way, and they're realizing they can't get it sold at the price they're at. So don't worry about the price. You've already gained all that equity. Have someone help you market your house right in the way that makes sense to you. But let's get out there and sell some houses. I got buyers who are looking for properties. And then one last thing, I have an open house this weekend. Come see me at 1072 Humboldt Avenue in West St. Paul. It's an adorable starter home. It's $285,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a big 2-car garage and a nice private backyard. So come see me at 1072 Humboldt Avenue Saturday from noon to 1:30. If you have any questions, call me. I'm glad to be of help. Thanks for watching Friday Fun Facts. Take care.